Hello, sound check.
Mike Tyson.
Okay na. Bismillah.
Sinong first to
Kapagapas.
question?
Sam.
Si iMinds. Saan si iMinds?
Sige na, sir.
Later na lang, okay?
Sir Roberto, asentado sir.
At si Asitado.
Sir.
Sige po kaya.
Okay, sige po. Sige po. Sir, una sa lahat, congratulations po. Go pa. Opo, sir, ang tanong ko, dahil napagsimula na ng ating buting governor, sa ngayon, sir, anong unang-unang gagawin po ninyo pag-upo po ninyo?
Sir, Mike Tyson.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Tama po kayo. The present Chief Minister and the former Governor has already started this term. So basically, yung mga programa niya, mga proyekto niya na madadala natin, we will continue that inshallah. We will just have to check into it first. Give us siguro at least a few days to check into the status of the province, all these transactions, and lahat ng kung ano man ang naiwan ng ating present Chief Minister, nang sa ganun ay may continue natin and makita natin kung ano ang mga pwede natin ilagdag inshallah sa amin.
Okay, second question po.
Hindi ba bitin yung timeline, napaka-ikli?
I do not think it's within because public service knows no limits. For me, this is ample time to showcase what I have in mind, inshallah, and my plans. Na siguro for the past term, everybody knows that my journey in Maguindano del Norte has been full of ups and downs. But alhamdulillah, it's a sweet, sweet ending. But inshallah, I assure you that we will not disappoint. So hindi to bitin Kuya Sam. Abangan niya kung anong kaya natin gawin in the remaining time for this term.
Go, para sa'yo, ano po yung public servant?
Public servant. Parang pang Miss Universe na question po. Public servant.
I believe.
Anyway, kagaya po ng sabi ko sa inyo kanina, my commitment first is not is